Most AI tools don't actually save you time. They give you homework, they give you long answers, and then you still have to turn that answer into a spreadsheet or a report, a slide deck, or a decision. But today, I'm showing you the first AI tool I've used that skips the homework part completely. If you're new here, my name is Zeus or Daz. I've built and managed multiple businesses from home. I've generated hundreds of millions of views online, but none of that matters if I don't have time for my family. I'm a husband, I'm a dad, so every system I build has one job: create freedom. That's why I'm extremely picky about productivity. If something adds friction, I don't use it. If it saves time and mental energy, I pay attention. Here's the biggest reason this matters. Most AI still talks like a robot writing an essay. But humans don't make decisions from essays. We make decisions from clarity. Thesys shared a stat that explains this perfectly. They say 83% of users prefer interactive user interfaces over endless paragraphs. Personally, when I'm looking at performance, money, or strategy, I don't want to decode text. I want a visual to see what's actually happening. So before we go any further, here's the simplest way to understand what Thesys does. Most AI tools give you an answer. Thesys gives you a workspace, charts, tables, cards, forms, slides, reports. And to make this concrete, let me show you a few everyday situations. Think about questions we all ask AI. Things like, give me travel ideas for underrated destinations with images of landmarks and cultural highlights. Or, show me a chart of the highest grossing movies of all time with posters and key scenes. Or, show me the top 5 stocks outperforming the market this year. Now, notice the difference. On the left, this is how most AI tools respond. A list of links, a block of text, and 10 tabs later, you're still trying to find clarity. Now, look at the right. With Thesys, the answers come back already organized: images, interactive charts, graphs, visual structure. You don't have to hunt for the right insight. It's just there. This is what I mean by homework. Most AI gives you information and then makes you assemble the picture. Thesys gives you the picture up front. Visuals enhance our understanding. There's a reason we process images faster than text. There's even the famous phrase, a picture paints 1,000 words. And when progress matters, clarity beats complexity, which leads to the real question. What does this actually replace in real life? Instead of walking you through every possible use case, I want to focus on one situation I see all of the time, because if this clicks for you, you'll immediately see how this applies everywhere else. Let's talk about agency client reporting. If you run an agency, this one's obvious. Client reporting eats up time, and even when it's done perfectly, most clients don't read explanations. They want clarity at a glance. What happened, why it happened, and what's next. With Thesys, instead of generating text and building reports manually, the AI creates the report as the output. Charts, tables, KPIs, recommended actions. You're not formatting, you're simply just reviewing. This is the difference between spending Sunday night copy-pasting into slides, formatting sheets, and spending time with your family. That alone is a huge upgrade for me. It feels like software, not simply just a chat, because the output isn't just words, it's a working view of your situation. And that leads to the bigger shift. If you're using AI for business and you're still copy pasting outputs into spreadsheets, docs, dashboards, or slides, you're doing work AI should already be doing for you. That's the shift. Stop asking AI to talk better. Start using AI that shows the answer in a way you can act on immediately. At a high level, that's what Thesys is building. A new layer on top of AI, one that turns answers into interfaces, charts, tables, cards, forms, reports, slides, all generated in real time. If you want to test this yourself, you can try Thesys Agent Builder for free. And if you're a developer and want the API, head to Thesys.dev. Now, I'm always looking for tools that actually reduce my workload, not tools that create more tabs in my life. This one is a real upgrade. If you try it, tell me what you thought in the comments. And if you want more videos just like this, with actual strategies, business ideas, and behind the scenes from a real work from home dad, make sure to subscribe. We're on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers, so drop a like and subscribe. This is Zeus or Das. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.